Hey guys, it's Todd from the Mulligan's blog, and we are at Mount Gilead State Park. We've been here since Saturday, and today is Monday. We'll be heading out of here tomorrow, heading home, and just thought I'd show you quickly around our little section of the campsite. Say hi to Bailey. Campsite 13 that we're in, and it's a nice campsite out here. So the one thing about Mount Gilead is they have nice flat cement pads for the full hookup sites, and there aren't many full hookup sites. Most of them are just electric, and there are some that are electric, water, and sewer, and we're on one of those, so that's 13. The one next to us here is 12. It's a very nice campsite. It would be actually, if we come back, the one that we would try to get. Right down there, and it's like a private little area right there. Here, now that's our fire pit there, and the only bad thing about that I can show you is that our fire pit, see if I can zoom out here, so that's our fire pit, and that's campsite 12's sewer connection where their Stinky Slinky goes. And then that's campsite number 14. That's where their fire is. So looking from the back side here, this is what campsite 13 looks like. It's not, like I said, it's not a really bad campsite. It's very flat, and it's a pretty good setup that we have here. Down here, it's not big rig friendly by any means, but 35-foot camper, pretty easy. There are some Class A's in here, but they're on the electric only sites. Some of these sites over here, I'll zoom in there, are very shallow. Like once you get your trailer in, your tongue is right on the end of these three. Probably the worst site of them all is this 6 and 7 here. Once you get your trailer in, there is no room for your tow vehicle whatsoever. So I would say pretty much all these 5 over here, 6 and 7, I definitely wouldn't pick those. But anything down around the circle is a definite, and anything up to the camp host area up there is good too.